Okay, Raju, may I know about you? Where are you from?
Yeah, bro. My name is Raju Kumar. I'm from Bihar, district in Sitamarhi. Now I'm pursuing graduation degree. I have completed recently 12th class in my native place. My hobby are dancing and playing chess and talk to new people. That's all about it.
Yeah, I think it's really amazing. Okay, I'm going to tell you myself. I'm a teacher as well as um, I love to talk with the new peoples. In this time, I'm providing my quiz to all of the students. Yeah, and I belong to Bihar state. Okay,
You are also
so it's
from Bihar.
yes,
Oh, that's really amazing. Which district?
Samastipur district.
Oh, you are. I think you are nearby. I'm Sitamarhi district.
Okay, yeah, you are right. Like, I have a question for you. How long have you been working over there on your,
In English field, yeah, in another field.
of course, English field?
6 months, but not regular. Started for 6 months, I think, since 6 months, but not a regular, one
That
day, 2 days. But recently, I started my YouTube channels, and only I was one, I think, 4 and 5, 6 videos I made it,
okay.
and now I'm also talking. You are the fifth person I'm the talking with you.
So who gave you the idea of making channels? You,
YouTube channel.
yeah.
First of
Hmm.
all, first of all, if you want to create a YouTube new channel, first you create a Gmail, new Gmail.
No, no, I'm asking you who gave you the idea for making channels for you.
Oh no one gave to me idea because I have also started my dance channel, dance video channel, YouTube. But there is what's the problem, na? If I do dance and after that I upload the video there, the copyright, music copyright, then channel is also going to destroy. That's why I leave it. But I have the channel, this channels, and then I thought like that. So which channel is start? Then copyright is not problem. Then thought like so if I do skills or English skills, there is my voice, my video, no problem. No one anything happens. That's why I am started the YouTube channels and again another channel. This is my channel name is English Fun 0.5 means you can learn Hindi by fun way, not any
Oh,
difference. This is language.
oh,
Language means learn easy, not a subject. This one. That's why I'm using this title.
okay. So there is a reason behind it to just create your channel because you just want to growing your channel. Apart
Yeah,
from it,
I want to grow myself itself, right? Growing myself, and also after future, the people see, look at me, the where I'm the starting, and now I'm the here. That's why I'm starting the channel.
okay, okay. So, nowadays, how have you been improving your spoken at your home? May I know?
Actually, I'm staying in the South India. My environment is English, only English. My friend, also my teacher, my classrooms, everyone is speaking English. No one is no Hindi. Only little in my friend, whoever staying in the north side, my roommate only. Sometimes roommate also speaking English, but sometimes speaking Hindi, English. But if I talk about my classroom, my college friend, everyone is speaking English. No one is speaking Hindi because they don't know. That's why. And also I
Okay.
want to learn. Also I want to communicate the all people. That's why I'm learning a more effective way.
So, what is the reasons behind it to have you been for a long in South area? Were you came there for job purpose? Yeah, something else reasons
No,
behind it.
no. I behind the reason for study purpose because compared to South India, North India, totally different, different big difference. Study education system. If education system is good, Bihar side, then I stay Bihar. But Bihar side education system is more corruption. That's why I come here and study there.
Okay. Yeah, that's
This
a
is
good
the reason.
idea. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, of course. And I really
Because
appreciate.
lots of college in government and private also, because I qualify in JEE mains. Lots of college, government, also private, Bihar the provided to me, come and join. But I think like that, no, this is not better for me, because Bihar is fully corruption and education system also. That's why I leave it and I join the South India.
Okay, so like how long have you been there? May I know exact
six
time?
month 6 month.
6 months. I think
Yeah.
after complete 12th class in Bihar, you just come back to South area, right? For further
No,
study.
after complete 12th class, I qualify JEE mains, give the JEE mains exam, and then after I clear JEE mains, then after join this college in South India.
Okay, okay. Okay, after completing the examination, then you
Yeah,
selected.
after the completing, yeah, selected in this college in trans.
Okay, and what is your major subject in this field?
In this college, my major subject aeronautical engineering.
Wow. So how long it will be going on? And what is the how month of course? Yeah, year of course
The
this is.
course is not a month. This course is 4 years engineering.
Okay, 4 year.
4 years
Yeah. So
totally course. Hello,
hello.
hello. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
This
Mm-hmm.
course was
Right.
not a month, is a 4 years course duration.
Okay. So you have to stay 4 year there, no?
Yeah, I have to stay. I have completed there 6 months. Now we have to stay 3.5 years more there. Have to stay there.
So with how many persons do you stay? Do you stay? Yeah,
One
only
room,
with your friend.
one room per 4 members per room.
Okay. And how do you manage to be alone or someone are there for you?
Because if you not manage, na, is everyone coming for a study purpose. If you do anything wrong, yeah, your friend doing anything wrong, college very restrict, very restrict. If you do wrong anything, na, college will be pay. If you pay too much fine, you pay too much fine. If you do anything ragging with your senior, with your junior, you have to pay 25,000 pound fine. That's why no one do ragging and no one do any fight. This college is very restricted. Our warden is also strict, very strict.
Okay. So
Everyone,
nowadays, may I know like what kinds of idea do you use in your speaking field to improve your spoken?
yeah, improving my skill. These apps also. One more also apps is calling, but I have using this apps. I had using this apps. I think it's, 6 months ago, but it's not benefit for me. That's why I'm using this app and to talk new
Okay,
people.
okay. From this application, anything else like doing reading novels, stories, yeah, newspaper, etc. Anything are you doing nowadays?
No, actually, bro, I'm not doing anything. Only I'm doing speaking. Sometimes I did reading books and reading books only. And my class is fully English medium. No need to listen anything other things. Fully English medium. Teacher only speak English. My ma'am, my teacher, my classmate, my nearby friend, neighbors, everyone. That's why no need to. I believe in only practical way, not a theoretical way. That's why I'm only doing these things.
So do you get hesitation while talking with your ma'am in your college?
Yeah, if yeah, lots of when I came this college, na, I feel very hesitate and fumbling. Lots of not going to a stage, no went a stage on the in front of the people, not talk anything. But day by day, I improving myself, improving myself. Now I don't have any problems. Go in front of the people and talk some new things. Now interesting topics also.
Yeah, because you got the environment, and which is a much essential for all the beginner students, and as well as many
Before
people.
the before the environment, I stay in Bihar side. I create the environment in my phone. This is the main things, bro.
I
Everyone
can
saying,
understand.
I don't have environment. How can I speak? But your phone is the best example for the environment.
Yeah, it depends on us how we utilize these phones. We get lots of
Yeah,
choices, right? Okay.
yeah,
So,
you
like,
get lots of things.
I'm asking you, like, what is your ambitions of life now?
My ambition, I want to become a pilot engineer.
Wow, really great.
Pilot engineer. Yeah, it's a very difficult for me, but I am doing these things nowadays.
Noth- Nothing is difficult. If you think, then it will be. Otherwise, everything is possible. Okay.
Yeah,
Depends on what you think, right? You just
yeah,
consider it is very frightened, many of them, before taking a step towards it. But after taking the step towards it, it becomes easier than anything, right? You got the environment,
yeah,
still you think how easy it is. It is, right? Really, you can talk to with any one of them without focusing on your grammatical parts, right? Because grammar
yeah, yeah,
automatically will by that process. So there is no requirement of having and putting your attention on other parts, right? So
yeah,
that's
yeah,
why.
yeah.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, so
Okay.
I think we end this session today. It's going to
Yeah, yeah,
complete
it's
it.
nice to meet you, bro. Yeah, cooking is also very good. We will
Thank
meet
you.
again if we have time. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. I really enjoyed a lot for having conversation with you. Really.
Okay,
You're
okay.
doing
Yeah,
well.
I also. Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much, bro.